Hello guys, and welcome to another project order series video. Today we're going to be solving the Pandigital multiples, which is problem 38. It says take the number 192 and by multiplying it by each of the 1, 2, and 3, we generate a Pandigital number. And the way that we arrive at this number is just concatenating the results that we get by multiplying the number by 1, 2, or 3, and we end up with this. So what it wants us to do is to figure out what is the largest Pandigital number by using this method. The Pandigital function or method is easy to create. However, the hard part is figuring out the search space. And like I said, these problems are being posted because I want to give a guide on how to solve them, but not give you guys the entire solution. So it will be your job to figure that out. However, if you still can't figure it out and you want the solution, these problems are going to be on GitHub, so you can take a look at that. All right. So let's get started. So what I've done so far is create a class. I've called it Pandigital multiples, and all we have to do is just create the Pandigital method. This is going to be a Boolean, and let me make this static for an easy call. And I'm going to call it is Pandigital. And this is going to go ahead and take in, we can use a string builder here. And let's call it value. Okay, so what we want to do is create a chars array. So I'm just going to call this one char. It's going to equal to value dot toString dot toChar array. What we can do next is just use the arrays dot sort method to sort the chars. And then we can return a new string, pass in the chars, and then we can compare that to the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equal to 0. Next we want to do is just find the largest Pandigital. So I'm going to do a private static. We can use strings here and just call it largest Pandigital. So based on some calculations, the max range for this is going to be in the 10,000 range, actually quite less than that, but I will not be giving that out. And the problem here is to find the minimum and maximum range. All right, so you can reduce the computation. However, I want you guys to figure it out by yourself. If you find it out and you think it's a clever way of doing it, put it in the comment section below. If you don't know about it, then this is going to be in the project Euler section on my GitHub. You can look down there for the final values. Okay, so what we need is to have a string to keep track of the results. So let's say var rest is going to be empty for now. And then we just need to go ahead and create a loop so we can loop through the values. So I'm going to say var I is going to equal to 1 and I is going to be less than 10,000. Right? I is I++. Then we're going to go ahead and create another for loop. This is going to be for j, so I'm going to say var j is going to equal to 1. But how do we want to calculate this? Well, we need to go ahead and create a builder or a string builder. Call it builder. Go to new string builder. Right, and we're going to use this to append the results that we get up here. So we're going to say that while for the builder dot length is less than 9, because we only need to have 9 numbers at most to figure out if the number is Pandigital or not, right? So if it's greater than that, then most likely it's not going to be Pandigital, so it's going to fail this is Pandigital method that we wrote earlier. And what we just do is j++. Then what we need to do is say builder.append, right? And we're going to do I times j. Next, we just have to figure out the number is Pandigital or not. So we're going to say if is Pandigital and then builder then the result is gonna equal builder.toString, and we just have to go ahead and return the result. Okay, so like I said, what you can do is take the 192 that you were given and take the largest Pandigital that you calculated from that, alright, and figure out what the search range is for that. And by using the size of the input, you can actually figure out what the maximum search range is for that input size. Okay, it's not that difficult to do. So like I said, these tutorials are meant to guide you guys to a solution, so it's not going to be optimal at every given point. If I feel good about it, I'll give you guys the optimal solution. If I don't, I probably won't. However, this is going to be posted on GitHub with the actual range on there, so if you want to look at that after you've watched the video, please do so. So all we have to do next is go ahead and create the main method, and we can run the largest Pandigital. And let's go ahead and run that. And this is the answer that you should get. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys the search space. So it should be between 9,000 and 1,000. Okay, just in case somebody wants to throw a fit. That should give you guys the same answer as well. Alright guys, this will be it for this tutorial. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. I always look at my YouTube channel at least once or twice a day. If you have any comments, I'll be sure to reply you as quick as I can. Alright guys, see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.